Saying no allows you to set boundaries and determine what's important. It protects your time and energy. This is about challenging the people pleasing aspect of your personality. Declining unnecessary obligations leaves room for meaningful activities and personal growth opportunities. Overcommitting can potentially create anxiety and affect your well being. Saying no gets easier with practice. Start small by declining minor requests. Be polite but firm when you say no. Explain why if needed, but don't feel guilty. Consider your priorities, obligations, and mental health before agreeing to requests. Know your limits and embrace the power of no to live intentionally. Well, in summary, we need to remember saying no allows you to set boundaries, avoid overcommitting, focus on what matters, and ultimately take care of yourself. It takes practice, but gets easier over time.